If you want to get best body lotion, according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position we have La Roche-Posay Body Lotion. La Roche-Posay Body Lotion is an exceptional skincare product that provides nourishment and hydration for the skin. As someone who has struggled with dry and sensitive skin, I have tried countless body lotions, but this one stands out from the rest. One of the things I love most about this body lotion is its lightweight texture. It glides smoothly onto the skin and absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy or sticky residue behind. This is especially important for me as I prefer to apply lotion in the morning before getting dressed, and I don't want it to interfere with my clothing. The formula of La Roche-Posay body lotion is enriched with shea butter and glycerin, which are known for their moisturizing properties. These ingredients effectively replenish the skin's moisture barrier, leaving it feeling soft, supple, and deeply hydrated. I have noticed a significant improvement in the texture of my skin since incorporating this lotion into my daily routine. It has helped to alleviate dry patches and has evened out my skin tone. One of the standout features of this body lotion is its gentle formula. La Roche-Posay is a brand known for its commitment to sensitive skin, and this lotion is no exception. It is fragrance-free, paraben-free, and hypoallergenic, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. I have experienced no irritation or redness while using this lotion, which is a testament to its gentle nature. Overall, I highly recommend La Roche-Posay body lotion to anyone in search of an effective and gentle moisturizer. Its lightweight texture, hydrating formula, and suitability for sensitive skin make it a standout product in the realm of body lotions. Give it a try, and you won't be disappointed. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Jergens body lotion. Jergens body lotion is a staple in my skincare routine, and it has become a trusted companion for keeping my skin moisturized and healthy. This lotion has consistently delivered excellent results, making it one of my favorite go-to products. The first thing that stands out about Jergens body lotion is its luxurious texture. It has a creamy and velvety consistency that spreads easily on the skin. Upon application, it absorbs quickly without any greasy residue, leaving my skin feeling soft and smooth. This is particularly important for me as I prefer a lightweight lotion that doesn't weigh down my skin or leave it feeling sticky. The moisturizing capabilities of this lotion are impressive. It is enriched with hydrating ingredients like glycerin and natural oils, which provide intense hydration and nourishment to the skin. Even on my driest days, Jergens body lotion has been able to restore moisture and alleviate any dryness or flakiness. It keeps my skin moisturized throughout the day, leaving it looking healthy and radiant. What I appreciate most about this lotion is its versatility. It is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. I have never experienced any irritation or adverse reactions while using it. The formula is also dermatologist tested, ensuring its safety and effectiveness. Additionally, Jergens body lotion comes in a variety of formulas to cater to different needs, such as ultra healing, firming, or even ones with a subtle shimmer for a radiant glow. In conclusion, Jergens body lotion is a standout product in the realm of skincare. Its luxurious texture, exceptional moisturizing abilities, and suitability for all skin types make it a reliable and versatile choice. If you're in search of a high-quality body lotion that delivers on its promises, I highly recommend giving Jergens a try. Your skin will thank you for it. The number 3 position is held by NIVEA Enriched body lotion. NIVEA Enriched body lotion has been a longtime favorite of mine when it comes to moisturizing and nourishing my skin. This lotion has consistently provided me with excellent results, making it a trusted staple in my skincare routine. The texture of this body lotion is rich and creamy, which feels incredibly indulgent on the skin. It spreads smoothly and effortlessly, allowing for easy application. What I love most about this lotion is its ability to deeply hydrate and lock in moisture. With its unique formula enriched with nourishing ingredients like almond oil and natural minerals, it effectively replenishes dry and dehydrated skin, leaving it feeling incredibly soft and smooth. One of the standout features of NIVEA Enriched body lotion is its long-lasting moisturizing effect. Even on the driest days, this lotion provides intense hydration that lasts throughout the day. I have noticed a significant improvement in the overall condition of my skin since incorporating this lotion into my routine. It has helped to restore moisture, eliminate roughness, and even out my skin tone. Another aspect that I appreciate about this body lotion is its fast-absorbing formula. It doesn't leave any greasy or sticky residue behind, allowing me to get dressed immediately after application without any inconvenience. The scent of this lotion is also pleasant and subtle, adding a touch of freshness to my skincare routine. Furthermore, NIVEA Enriched Body Lotion is dermatologically tested and suitable for all skin types. I have sensitive skin, and I have never experienced any irritation or adverse reactions while using this product. It is gentle yet effective, making it a reliable choice for anyone seeking a high-quality body lotion. In conclusion, NIVEA Enriched Body Lotion is a fantastic skincare product that delivers on its promises. Its rich texture, long-lasting hydration, and gentle formula make it an excellent choice for keeping the skin nourished and moisturized. I highly recommend this lotion to anyone looking for a reliable and effective body moisturizer. Next at number 4 we have HEMPZ Body Lotion. HEMPZ Body Lotion has quickly become one of my favorite body lotions due to its exceptional performance and unique benefits. This lotion stands out from the rest with its incorporation of hemp seed oil, which brings a multitude of advantages for the skin. The texture of the HEMPZ body lotion is lightweight and absorbs effortlessly into the skin. It spreads smoothly, allowing for easy application and quick absorption without leaving any greasy residue behind. This is especially important to me as I prefer a lotion that doesn't feel heavy or interfere with my daily activities. What sets this lotion apart is its incredible moisturizing capabilities. The hemp seed oil present in the formula is rich in essential fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants, which work together to deeply hydrate and nourish the skin. Since using HEMPZ body lotion, I have noticed a significant improvement in the overall texture and hydration of my skin. It has effectively eliminated dryness and flakiness, leaving my skin feeling soft, smooth, and rejuvenated. One of the standout features of HEMPZ body lotion is its beneficial properties for sensitive skin. The formula is free from harsh chemicals, parabens, and gluten, making it suitable for those with sensitive skin or allergies. I have experienced no irritation or adverse reactions while using this lotion, which is a testament to its gentle nature. Additionally, the scent of this body lotion is absolutely delightful. It has a pleasant, subtle fragrance that lingers on the skin without being overpowering. It adds a touch of freshness and leaves me feeling invigorated throughout the day. In conclusion, HEMPZ body lotion is a top-notch skincare product that delivers exceptional results. Its lightweight texture, moisturizing properties, and suitability for sensitive skin make it a standout choice. If you're looking for a body lotion that provides deep hydration and nourishment while being gentle on the skin, I highly recommend giving HEMPZ a try. Your skin will thank you for it. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Aveeno Body Lotion. Aveeno Body Lotion has become a staple in my skincare routine, and for good reason. This lotion has consistently delivered exceptional results, making it a reliable choice for keeping my skin moisturized and healthy. The texture of Aveeno Body Lotion is rich and creamy, which feels incredibly luxurious on the skin. It glides smoothly and evenly, allowing for easy application. What sets this lotion apart is its use of colloidal oatmeal, a key ingredient known for its soothing and moisturizing properties. The colloidal oatmeal works wonders in replenishing dry and dehydrated skin, leaving it feeling incredibly soft and supple. One of the standout features of Aveeno Body Lotion is its ability to provide long-lasting hydration. It effectively locks in moisture and keeps my skin hydrated throughout the day. Even in harsh weather conditions or during colder months when my skin tends to be drier, this lotion has proven its efficacy in maintaining the moisture balance of my skin. Another aspect that I appreciate about this body lotion is its gentle and nourishing formula. Aveeno is a brand known for its dedication to creating products suitable for sensitive skin, and this lotion is no exception. It is fragrance-free and hypoallergenic, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin types. I have experienced no irritation or adverse reactions while using this lotion, which speaks to its gentle nature. Furthermore, Aveeno Body Lotion is fast-absorbing and non-greasy, allowing for quick application and immediate clothing without any residue. The lightweight feel of the lotion is perfect for everyday use, and it leaves my skin feeling silky and smooth. In conclusion, Aveeno Body Lotion is a remarkable skincare product that delivers on its promises. Its rich texture, long-lasting hydration, and gentle formula make it a reliable choice for maintaining healthy and moisturized skin. I highly recommend this lotion to anyone in search of a high-quality body moisturizer that is suitable for sensitive skin. Give it a try, and you'll be amazed at the results. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.